we are going to play sound effects. Basically, what will happen is I will be pantomiming an everyday action as per your suggestion, and Josh will be making the sound effects that go along with that. So, can I please get a suggestion for an everyday activity?
Frying an egg.
Frying an egg? Well, can you mind if we expand that to making lunch? Or dinner or breakfast? Or the meal of your choosing?
Okay.
Breakfast. Breakfast. All right, breakfast it is. We will start this breakfast scene.
Josh, be pretty loud.
I can be this loud. Okay. Alright, Ward and C.
Meow.